Here we've got the new latest bifold system, which is their OB49, which complements the sort of steel look products that we're talking about a moment ago, and gives you a nice sort of slimmer look in the sight line here, visible when the two doors come together. Now we've also added the sort of bar detail to the product, so you get that sort of steel look again to match in with other elements of your design. But clearly this could be just three clear panes of glass. And again, you know, depending on what colours you go for your windows, you could match the bifolds to that. Equally, you might go for a contrasting colour. Anthracite grey, slate grey, blacks, all very popular colours in both sliding doors and bifolds. So I will just quickly demonstrate what is a very popular configuration, which is the 3-panel configuration. Now for many customers there is always the discussion point over which side should we open the doors, how should we get them to operate. Now always remember, if you're working with an odd number of leaves, that gives you the feasibility to have all the doors stacked to one side, but not only that, you get the benefit of having the lead door act as a traffic door at one end when you just want to come in and out of the property. So something to, you know, just make sure you're thinking about. But equally, if an even number of doors is what you need to work with, it's just about thinking, you know, what areas of the house are going to work best, depending on whether you look to have them open into the property or open out, and, you know, work on that configuration so it makes sense.